Lake Natron sits in a remote part of Africa, shrouded in mystery and natural beauty. It is in Tanzania, near the border with Kenya, nestled in a unique and fascinating landscape. The lake rests in a basin called the Gregory Rift, a significant geological feature. This rift is part of the Great Rift Valley, a vast trench that runs through eastern Africa. Volcanoes surround Lake Natron, adding to its dramatic scenery. One such volcano is Old Doinyo Lengai, known as the Mountain of God by the Maasai people. It is an active volcano spewing lava rich in sodium carbonate, a rare type of lava. This unique lava flows into the lake, creating a fascinating interaction between fire and water. The result is water with an extremely high pH, making it one of the most alkaline lakes in the world. The lake's high alkalinity makes it inhospitable to most forms of life, creating a stark and eerie environment. Most animals cannot survive in its waters, and those that do often perish, their bodies preserved by the lake's unique chemistry. Evaporation increases the concentration of salts, intensifying the lake's harsh conditions. This leaves behind a white, crusty surface, a stark contrast to the surrounding landscape. The lake's name, Natron, actually refers to this natural salt mixture which has been used since ancient times for preservation and cleaning. Lake Natron, located in northern Tanzania, is famous for its petrifying effect on animals. This unique body of water has a high alkalinity and is rich in minerals, creating an environment where the remains of creatures are preserved in a remarkable way. Creatures that die in the lake become encrusted in salt, their bodies transformed into eerie statues. This process preserves their bodies, creating a sort of natural mummification. The high salt content acts as a preservative, preventing decay and maintaining the animal's forms. The high pH of the water, which can reach levels as high as 10.5, plays a key role in this process. It causes calcium carbonate to precipitate out of the water, forming a hard, white crust on anything it touches. This mineral-rich water then soaks into the dead animals, further aiding in their preservation. As the water evaporates, the calcium carbonate crystallizes, encasing the animals in a protective shell. The animals become encased in a hard stone-like shell, preserving them for years to come. Photographer Nick Brandt captured this phenomenon in his work, bringing the eerie beauty of Lake Natron to the world. His haunting images of calcified birds and bats brought international attention to the lake, highlighting its unique and deadly beauty. The photographs show the animals in lifelike poses, as if frozen in time. They seem frozen in time, a testament to the lake's unique and deadly beauty, capturing the imagination of all who see them. Despite its harsh conditions, life persists in Lake Natron. This lake, with its extreme alkalinity and high temperatures, is home to a variety of resilient organisms. Some organisms have adapted to the extreme alkalinity. These creatures are extremophiles, capable of surviving where most life cannot. They thrive in environments that are deadly to most other life forms, showcasing nature's incredible adaptability. One example is a type of bacteria called cyanobacteria. These microorganisms are particularly fascinating. These bacteria can tolerate the high pH of the lake, thriving in conditions that would be lethal to most other forms of life. They carry out photosynthesis, producing their own food from sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Their presence gives the lake its characteristic red color, a striking visual testament to their existence. Lake Natron is also a vital breeding ground for lesser flamingos. These birds have adapted remarkably well to the lake's harsh conditions. These birds are uniquely adapted to the harsh conditions, finding sustenance and safety in this extreme environment. They feed on the abundant algae that thrive in the lake, turning a challenging habitat into a thriving ecosystem. The caustic water does not harm them, thanks to their unique adaptations. Their tough skin on their legs protects them, allowing them to wade through the alkaline waters without injury. Local tribes have long regarded Lake Natron with awe and fear. Myths and legends surround the lake. Some stories tell of spirits that haunt the area. Others speak of the lake's power to turn animals to stone. The lake's ever-changing colors also contribute to its mystique. The shades shift from deep red to vibrant pink and orange. These variations are due to the presence of different types of algae and bacteria. Their populations fluctuate with changes in water temperature, salinity, and light.